No, it's a customer pouch.
Pouch.
Yeah. So we're gonna, is that 40? Okay. So we're measuring 40. So we can make a cut. All right. So Shane is.
You want a smaller felt pen?
If you have one.
Yeah, so you can be a little more accurate.
Okay. So that's measured, and then we're gonna cut it.
How come you're not having Cambridge make this?
We're gonna show them how first.
Oh.
Then they can start to make them.
Like a voice on it too?
Yes. Randy, your voice will be on here, Randy. Yeah. Thank you for all the help. You're a good man. All right. Okay. So let's just use this one then. Yeah, let's do another one. Just because we're gonna make a 3 different configuration. So if we cut it first, that'd be great. Okay, I'm gonna cut the film for now.